Imagine a world where everyday tasks become effortless. From kitchen hacks to home essentials, we've found 30 genius gadgets that will save you time, money, and effort. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or organizing, these budget-friendly finds will upgrade your daily routine in ways you never imagined. Let's dive in. Tired of messy rice bags and spills all over your kitchen? Meet the ultimate rice dispenser, a game changer for your pantry. With a sleek, airtight design, it keeps your rice fresh, moisture-free, and dispenses the perfect portion at the push of a button. No scooping, no measuring, just effortless cooking every time. Upgrade your kitchen today. Struggling with pet hair, dust, or lint ruining your outfit? Meet the ultimate lint roller, your instant fix for a spotless look with its extra sticky, easy peel sheets. It grabs every speck of lint, fur, and dust in just one swipe. Perfect for clothes, furniture, and even car seats. Stay fresh, clean, and lint-free wherever you go. A must-have for every home. Tired of messy countertops while rolling dough? Say hello to the non-stick pastry mat sheet, your secret weapon for effortless baking. With its non-slip, food-grade surface, this mat keeps your dough in place while providing precise measurements for perfect pastries, pizza, or cookies. No more sticking. No more flour-covered counters, just smooth rolling and easy cleanup. A game changer for every baker. Say goodbye to slipping rugs and curled corners with non-slip rug pads. These grippy pads keep your carpets and rugs securely in place, preventing unwanted movement and reducing the risk of slips and falls. Plus, they add extra cushioning for a more comfortable feel underfoot. A simple yet effective way to keep your home safe and stylish. Tired of messy piles of shoes cluttering your space? A shoe storage cabinet is the perfect solution. With multiple compartments, it keeps your footwear neatly organized while saving space. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor, adding both style and functionality to your home. Say hello to an organized and clutter-free entryway. Give your skin the pampering it deserves with the super soft silicone face cleanser. Its ultra-gentle bristles deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and massage your face, removing dirt and excess oil without irritation. Perfect for all skin types, this waterproof and easy-to-use tool leaves your skin feeling fresh, smooth, and glowing. Upgrade your skincare routine today. Maximize your closet space with space-saving hanger clips. These clever clips let you vertically stack hangers, instantly freeing up room for more clothes. Perfect for small closets, dorms, or anyone looking to stay organized. They keep your wardrobe neat and wrinkle-free. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a smarter way to hang your clothes. Tired of stirring your coffee or hot chocolate manually? Meet the self-stirring mug, the ultimate lazy but genius gadget. With just a press of a button, it automatically blends your drink to perfection, keeping it smooth and well mixed. Perfect for busy mornings, work desks, or travel. This mug saves time and effort. Say goodbye to spoons and hello to effortless sipping. Struggling to lift and pour heavy water bottles? The water bottle lifter is here to save the day. Designed with a sturdy grip and ergonomic handle, this gadget makes carrying and pouring large water bottles effortless. Whether refilling a dispenser or transporting a jug, it reduces strain on your hands and back. A must-have for every home. Maximize your storage space with these collapsible storage bins with lids. Designed for versatility, these bins expand to hold clothes, toys, or household essentials and fold flat when not in use. Secure lids keep dust and moisture out, ensuring your items stay clean and protected. Whether organizing your closet, office, or garage, these bins provide a clutter-free solution. Plus, their sturdy yet lightweight design makes them easy to move around. Say goodbye to messy spaces with these smart storage bins. Stay hydrated on the go with these stainless steel collapsible cups. Designed for convenience, they fold down to a compact size, making them perfect for travel, camping, or everyday use. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, these cups are built to last and easy to clean. Whether you're sipping coffee, tea, or water, their leak-proof design ensures no spills. Simply expand, use, and collapse. Hydration has never been this portable. Keep your home cozy and energy efficient with this under-door draft stopper. Designed to block cold air, dust, noise, and even pests, it creates a snug seal at the bottom of your door. Perfect for all seasons, it helps reduce heating and cooling costs while making your space more comfortable. Easy to install and move, it's a simple yet effective home upgrade. Say goodbye to pesky mosquito bites with this portable foldable mosquito net tent. Designed for ultimate protection, it creates a secure barrier against insects while allowing proper ventilation. Lightweight and easy to set up, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're at home or camping, enjoy a peaceful, bite-free sleep anywhere. Cutting watermelon has never been this fun and effortless. The windmill watermelon cutter slicer tool lets you slice perfect, juicy cubes in seconds with just a simple push. Its unique windmill design glides smoothly through the fruit, making serving mess-free and easy. Perfect for summer parties, picnics, and refreshing snacks. Keep your food fresh and organized with food storage containers with airtight lids. These containers lock in freshness, prevent spills, and keep moisture out, making them perfect for storing dry goods, leftovers, and snacks. Their stackable design saves space in your pantry or fridge, ensuring a clutter-free kitchen. Say goodbye to stale food. Enjoy uninterrupted sleep anytime, anywhere with the blackout blind shade with suction cups. This portable and easy-to-install shade blocks out sunlight completely, making it perfect for nurseries, bedrooms, or even travel. The strong suction cups ensure a secure fit on any window, creating a dark and cozy environment in seconds. Enhance safety at home or work with anti-slip tape. Designed to provide extra grip on slippery surfaces, this durable tape is perfect for stairs, ramps, bathrooms, and outdoor walkways. Its strong adhesive ensures long-lasting hold, even in high-traffic areas. Water-resistant and easy to apply, it helps prevent accidental slips and falls, making it a must-have for homes, offices, and warehouses. Stay secure and walk with confidence. Add a touch of elegance and convenience to your curtains with magnetic curtain tiebacks. These stylish and functional holders use strong magnets to keep your curtains neatly tied back without the need for hooks or drilling. Perfect for any decor. They're easy to use and adjustable to fit thick or thin curtains. Whether you want to let in natural light or create a cozy ambiance, these tiebacks make it effortless. Enhance your security anywhere with this heavy-duty portable door lock, designed for travelers, renters, and anyone seeking extra safety. This compact lock easily installs without tools, reinforcing doors from the inside. Whether in hotels, dorms, or at home, it provides an extra layer of protection against unwanted entry, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with this corner sink strainer with a hanging mesh bag, designed to fit snugly in the corner of your sink. It efficiently catches food scraps, peels, and other debris, preventing drain blockages. The disposable mesh bags make cleanup effortless. Just remove and toss. With its space-saving design and easy installation, this is a must-have for a hassle-free kitchen. Make bed making effortless with this mattress lifter and bed maker tool, designed to lift and hold your mattress with ease. It reduces strain on your back and hands while tucking in sheets. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making the task quicker and more efficient. Say goodbye to struggling with heavy mattresses and hello to a stress-free bed-making experience. Keep your toothpaste mess-free with self-closing silicone toothpaste caps. These innovative caps automatically seal after each squeeze, preventing leaks, drips, and dried-out paste. Made from flexible, durable silicone, they fit most standard toothpaste tubes and ensure effortless, hygienic dispensing. Say goodbye to sticky, clogged caps and enjoy a cleaner, more convenient bathroom experience. Keep your socks neatly organized with this closet sock holder, designed to maximize space. This holder keeps pairs together, preventing lost or mismatched socks. Its compact and easy-to-hang design makes it perfect for small closets or drawers. Say goodbye to clutter and enjoy a tidy, hassle-free way to store your socks. Keep water from dripping down your arms with these wristbands for washing your face. Made from super soft and absorbent material, they comfortably hug your wrists, preventing water from running down while you cleanse. Perfect for your skincare routine, spa days, or even makeup application. These wristbands make washing your face a mess-free and enjoyable experience. Maximize your kitchen space with this over-the-sink dish drying rack, designed to fit neatly over your sink. It provides a convenient and space-saving solution for drying dishes, utensils, and even fresh produce. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, this rack ensures proper drainage while keeping your countertops clutter-free. Perfect for small kitchens and busy households. Upgrade your shower with this wall-mounted soap dispenser for a clutter-free and organized bathroom. With its sleek and modern design, it easily dispenses liquid soap, shampoo, or body wash with just a push. Leak-proof and easy to refill, it keeps your essentials within reach while eliminating messy bottles. Perfect for a neat and stylish bathroom setup. Protect your fan from dust and dirt with this dust-proof fan cover, designed to keep your fan blades clean and extend their lifespan. This cover prevents dust buildup that can affect performance. Easy to install and remove, it's made of breathable and washable material, ensuring smooth airflow while keeping dust at bay. A must-have for a cleaner home. Keep your soap dry and long-lasting with this self-draining soap holder, designed with an angled, waterfall-style drainage system. It prevents water from pooling, keeping your soap from turning mushy. The strong suction cups ensure a secure grip on any smooth surface, making it perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. Say goodbye to messy soap dishes and hello to a cleaner, more hygienic space. Upgrade your doors effortlessly with suction cup door handles. These tool-free, no-drill handles provide an instant grip on smooth surfaces like glass, tiles, and shower doors. The strong suction mechanism ensures a firm hold, making them perfect for added support in bathrooms, kitchens, or even sliding doors. Whether you need a temporary handle for a rental space or extra stability for elderly family members, this versatile and removable solution has you covered. Easy to install, easy to remove, just press, lock, and go. Upgrade your home with a wireless doorbell that offers convenience, reliability, and a sleek design. With long-range connectivity, multiple chime options, and adjustable volume settings, you'll never miss a visitor again. Easy to install with no wiring required. This doorbell is perfect for homes, offices, or apartments. Plus, its weather-resistant build ensures durability in any season. And that wraps up our list of 30 affordable gadgets that will make your life easier. From kitchen hacks to home essentials, these smart tools are designed to save you time, effort, and money. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing finds. See you in the next video.